Hello and welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at Darwin's Drawer puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Theo Gehring and Simon Havinga and 3D printed by No Problem Puzzles. Difficulty level of the Darwin's Drawer puzzle is 9 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the objective of the puzzle is to fit all 4 pieces inside the drawer and then close it. At a first glance, it doesn't look like a big deal since we have a 3x3x3 space inside and it is not difficult to assemble a 3x3x3 shape using given parts. But as soon as you assemble some kind of a shape, you have to put it inside the drawer and then put it inside the frame. But as you can see, I can't fit it inside. I can't fit it from this side as well since it is not big enough to fit the drawer. The only way is here, but this piece is on the way. You have to remove it. And as you can see, there is a cut on the drawer. That means that if you have a piece that is above the line, you will not be able to fit it inside. So you have to free some space here. So you can put only one piece on the bottom and then you can put the drawer in. But as soon as you try to close the drawer, you will find that any piece that sticks out above this line will not let you close the drawer either. So you have to remove such pieces as well, and only then you will be able to close it. And as you can see, as a result, we have 2 pieces inside and 2 out. That means that we have to find another way how to fit all 4 pieces inside. This puzzle is quite challenging and it requires a little bit different way of thinking when you solve it. I spent a lot of time trying to figure out solution because I was trying to solve it with my regular approach, but I had to think completely different to figure out the way how to solve this interesting puzzle. So if you like the Darwin's Drawer puzzle and you want to have it in your collection and try to find the solution by yourself, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time.